Dear students of class 6, I am Tripathi sir here, going to complete your remaining part of history, that is the teaching of Lord Buddha. As you know, Lord Buddha was very famous, and he, after getting his knowledge, his first speech is given to Sarnath near Varanasi. After that, whatever his main teachings of Buddha, that you'll come to know. According to the Buddha, there were four noble truths. These are where follows. Life is full of suffering. The cause of human suffering is the result of one desire and the quest of power. The suffering can be ended by the overcoming desire. The way to end the suffering and desire is by the following eightfold path. These were 4 points he told, the four noble truths of life by his own experience, and to overcome these four desires he selected eightfold path, that is also known as the middle path. Now let us think about what were the middle path for that. You can see here point wise it is written: right views, right thoughts, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right efforts, right mindfulness, and right meditation. By these you can come to these desires. Now other teachings of Buddha also given by him. Now stress of ahimsa, he told, also he was follower of ahimsa, not to kill any animals for your own benefits. Same way, nirvana, to overcome the death cycle of death and life, there must be nirvana and one should try for that. Karma theory, he also told, according to Gita, that people are just whatever they are doing, they are going to according to that and they are getting that one. So same thing also taught by Lord Buddha also. No faith in God, yajna, sacrifice and rituals. Of course, Buddha was not having belief in God, and whatever animal sacrifice were there, he was not believe on that, since he was follower of ahimsa. Now the equality of all men, he was dealing equally with all men, no caste system, Brahmar, Kshatriya, Shudra and Vaishya. That's why so many followers have become for Buddha. A code of dons, something is telling that Buddha that don't do so, not to kill, not to steal, not to hanker others' wealth, not to tell a lie, not to commit impure acts, not to wish for other prosperity, not to use bad language for others, not to be angry with others. There were two sects of Buddhism later on. One is the Hinayana, another is the Mahayana. Hinayana was the original and Mahayana was with changed version of the followers of Buddha. Now Buddha has written some religious texts according to some him, some Vinaya Pitaka, Dharma Sutra Pitaka. So these are many things by Jhatka tales and all. You can to know the previous life of birth of Buddha. Now once you come to this chapter and this page 100 number, you will come to spread of Buddhism. Buddhism spreads very fast because later on many people taken interest on this religion, especially the spread of Buddhism where the other country like Sri Lanka, Burma, Tibet, parts of China and Japan, they were follower of the Buddhism. Now the generally Buddhism spreading was being done with the help of many people, those who are follower of Buddhism. But Ashoka taken so much interest even after death of Buddha. 2 years later one Ashoka was there. He was known as the great King Ashoka, you might have heard. So he has taken a keen interest to spread the Buddhism. After that, people were spreading the Buddhism, going to various places. but during rainy season they should not go to all places. So they made various places shelter to gather them and give their preachage. For those places it is known as monastery, and people were gathering there for gaining knowledge from the experience of Lord Buddha. So that is the end of this lesson. Now you come to the exercises and all. Here I mark the exercises. You can go through these exercises. See here how it is marking them. Tick the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. Write true and false also given here. If it is not clear, I will make you a clear copy of again. If you will come to the next page, you see here the question answer. Name the following and answer the following question in detail. Answer the following question in brief. These are the end of this lesson of history. Next we will read the civics lesson. Thank you.